Hello, welcome back to our channel. Kitty here. For today's Mystery Monday, we have these anime themed boxes. Here we have some rubber straps from the anime ReZero, as well as a few figures from the same anime. We have some Naruto themed rubber straps and this Desktop Army Sword Art Online mystery figure. We will start with these ReZero phone straps, rubber straps. As you can see here, it's from the Good Smile Company, and we have all of the main characters here along with felt. We have two of these. Yeah, these are so cute. I'm really excited to see who we get. If it was up to me, I would get Beatrice. And if it was up to Jerry, I think she would get basically any of them. This is one of her favorite animes right now. So yeah, let's open it up. Looks like we got Ram. Let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, she is so precious. I absolutely love her. And the rubber is a gray color and the strap is black. It comes with a little clasp. You can clasp it on your own strap if you'd like. Now that we got Ram, I really hope we get Rem. It's just so because they'll look so cute together. But I think I'd be happy with any character. And we got Felt. So here's Felt along with a black strap and a gray rubber just like the other one. She is so detailed and she came out so cute. I like her little tooth. I'm very happy with both of these. If I see these again, I'm definitely going to purchase more. Like I said, I'm very happy with them. Let's go ahead and try this next rubber strap box. This is from the company Tokyo Works. And we have here the same characters. We have Reinhardt, Krush, Felix, and a mystery character. I've been trying to figure out who this could possibly be, and I just don't know. So let me know in the comments if you think you know who that could be. Okay, I ripped the box, don't hate me. And we got another felt. At least this one, she looks different. We have a black strap again, but we have a brown rubber and she's in a different pose. Both very cute. And I'm happy. She's a really nice character, like a really cute character, and I like her a lot. Let's move on to the mystery box. So this one, we know it's going to be Rem. We just don't know what pose she's going to be in. And I think these are meant for glasses. Like you can see here, she can sit on the glass or she can hang off of the glass. And there are 6 different variations. Oh, that is so cute, her little demon form. I'm hoping to get... Jerry would probably hope to get her demon form with her little weapon. Or that one. I think I like this one where she's kind of hanging off because it's kind of funny. Okay, let's see who we got. This one's going to be kind of hard to open since there's no tape or anything, and I know you guys hate how I open these, but bear with me. And we got... this is the exact one I wanted. She's so cute. So here she is. Wow, she's so detailed for such a tiny figure. And I guess right here she would grip the glass and just hang from it like that. I'm very happy. Yeah, if I see these again, I will also purchase these. They're just so cute. The last ReZero themed item we have is this minifigure by Bandai, Banpresto. And I've never seen these before. It says volume 4. I'm not sure about these at all. But it says here you can get one of these 3. And I think since she's on the cover, it means that she's the one we got. But I'm not sure how this works, so let's go ahead and open it up. And yes, it is her. So it comes in little parts and you have to build these. These remind me a lot of the Nendoroid Petite by Good Smile Company. Let's open her up. Okay, so we've got all of her pieces out. Oops. It's just a couple, so we just push her head into here. Okay. Wow. Found it. Okay, so how would she go in the stand? Let me see if I'm missing a piece. Okay, so I was missing a piece. It was just really small and hard to see. This will be her stand. I'm not sure which part. Let's try that part, or yeah, it would make more sense for this one. So you go in here, and where would this go? Oh, in her back. I think we needed to put this in before we put her head. So let's just remove her head, put this in here, like that, and then replace her head. There she goes, and wow, she is so beautiful. I love her hair. I love the little details of her eyelashes. This is gorgeous, and I'm really happy with this figure. Now that we're done with the ReZero themed items, we're going to move on to the Naruto straps. Naruto is one of my favorite animes, so I'm really excited. You can see here all of the different character options we have. Shikamaru is Jerika's favorite character, so I know she'll want him. And Naruto is my favorite character. Well, Itachi is my favorite character, but he's not available. And I love Naruto, so I'd be glad with that. Honestly, I'd be happy with any character here. Let's see. Ooh, green rubber. Rock Lee. I don't know why, but as soon as I saw the green, sorry, I was guessing that it would be Rock Lee. This is Jerika's second favorite character, I believe. She's gonna love this. She's gonna be so happy. All right, second box. Red. Ooh, what does that mean? I hope that means Gaara. Let's see. Yes, it is Gaara. He looks so angry but so cute. Here they are together. I love them. I think they're so great. I'm very happy with both of these characters. That's it for these small mysteries. The last one we have here is a Desktop Army by Mega House. And this is a Sword Art Online. So we have Asuna here in the front. If we turn it around, we can see the three characters that we might get. Kirito, Asuna, and Celica. So these look sort of like action figure little figures. I'm hoping for the Celica because I like the little dragon. But I think Jerry would want Kirito because that's her favorite. But of course, I'd also be happy with any of these characters. Let's go ahead and open it up. It's Kirito, I believe, just from looking at this paper. Yep, we got Kirito. This is so cute. Oh, and you get to build it. Let me open this up and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got the little figure out. This is what he looks like. He kind of reminds me a little bit of like Legos mixed with an action figure. You can put him in all kinds of positions, which would be so cute for like photographing him. And look at that face. So detailed, so cute. Oh, wow. Okay, so it comes with a lot of little parts. A whole different face. His sword, Yu-Gi-Oh sword. Oh my god. Wow, this is so exciting. I didn't realize that it was going to come with so much. I'm not going to build this because it would take forever, and I want Jerika to be able to do this since I know she's going to be so excited to have him. Okay, well that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and leave a thumbs up. Love you!